Let's do some unboxing of a Beachbody box, shall we? Some unwrapping, some unveiling. For those of you that don't know, I've been an independent Beachbody coach for almost 13 years now. Today is July 9th, 2020. I signed up August of 2007, I think August 12th. So approaching, well, I've been sent over the years everything. I've been given free prizes, everything from free cruises to the Caribbean islands. That's a pretty nice free prize. To just simple t-shirts to little medallions and shaker cups and everything in between. So I have no idea what's in here. If it's a big prize, a little prize, it's probably not going to be a big prize, but still, it's kind of neat that they keep sending me stuff. And I've got so many pieces of clothing, I've literally got enough for an entire wardrobe, which is, I think, kind of cool. And lots of memories from things like cruises and so forth. So let's open this baby up. And I have no idea if this is going to be an exciting video or a dull and boring video. Who knows? So I might have to get extra animated to make something of it. But let's see what's in it. Like the video. Tickle that button until it turns blue. Just keep until it turns ravage that ravishing like button. Subscribe. My videos are anything to do with natural healing, chemical-free living, and organic wealth and making better money. Thousands of them so far. I've been doing this a while. Alright, got that done. I seem to have a little trouble there. Opening the box, this mystery package. Looks like an article of clothing of some kind. Let's see what it is. Is it a tank top of some kind, maybe? Let's see. Hey, cool. It's I have no idea what style of a tank top this is, but it's kind of like a tank top. It's really kind of weird. Honestly, I have no idea if I'm ever going to wear it, but thank you, Beachbody. There it is. It just says Coach Team Beachbody. What does it say on the receipt? Maybe it has a description of the style of tank top this is. Tank top. It says tank top. Okay. That's cool. Okay, so for those of you that like free stuff, and more importantly, those of you that are interested in natural healing and chemical-free lifestyle and making better money, if you'd like to be an independent Team Beachbody coach with us, I've got a pretty big team. I've been doing it for a long time. Just let me know. Or connect with the person who invited you here, if somebody invited you here, and let that person know. Because we're all part of the same team anyway. All right, that's about it. Or if you just want to be a customer and look at product, if you see something for you, either way. See you soon.